Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. কেমন আছো সবাই? I know I'm not looking एकदम से presentable for this video because I wasn't planning for it anyway. But my niece is here और वो रहती है एम्स्टर्डम में, but वो visit करने आई थी and somehow I gifted her something. Okay, she is my niece. Hi. एंड शी ऑलवेज वांटेड टू बी इन माय वीडियो. तो उसको ना वो फैसिनेशन है कि वीडियो कैसे बनता है, वीडियो में क्या क्या किया जाता है, एज सच मतलब उसको वो सब चीज़ें देखनी थी. सो सम हाउ आई गिफ्टेड हर फेवरेट कार्टून कैरेक्टर या फिर मूवी कैरेक्टर बोल सकते हो, दैट्स द एल्सा फ्रॉम फ्रोजन. सो आई गिफ्टेड हर अ वाइल बैक दैट गिफ्ट, बट उसकी मम्मी ने क्या किया था वो खोला नहीं, एंड दैट्स द गिफ्ट आई हैव फ्रॉम हेमलिस. सो उसकी मम्मी ने बोला कि ये तुम्हारे साथ ही नीचे जाके खोलेंगी तो तुम उसके साथ वीडियो बना लेना, जो भी करना है तुम उसके साथ कर लेना. एंड शी अग्रीड फॉर दैट. तो आज हम लोग ना क्या करेंगे, वो जो एल्सा वाला जो हम लोग मैंने जो डॉल दिया था ना, तो वो उसके साथ आज अनबॉक्स करेंगे. बट उसके साथ साथ समहाउ, ये मेरा कोई प्लानिंग नहीं था, आई गिफ्टेड हर अ ड्रेस ऑल्सो. और समहाउ वो ड्रेस भी ना सिमिलर सा हो गया, मतलब जो एल्सा पहन रखी है वैसा ही. तो चलो अभी क्या करेंगे ना, पहले तो उसको वो ड्रेस पहना देते हैं हम, क्योंकि फ़िलहाल अभी वो ये ड्रेस पहन रखी है. एंड आई एम नॉट लुकिंग प्रेजेंटेबल एंड आई नो दैट इट्स ओके. आई डोंट वांट टू डू माय मेकअप, आई डोंट वांट टू डू like thing. Okay, so it's okay. If you want to see our unboxing for Elsa, Barbie doll, whatever it is, I don't know what it is, keep on watching. दिस वॉज द ड्रेस दैट आई गिफ्टेड हर. और ये आपको मेरे H&M के हॉल में दिख जाएगा ये वाला ड्रेस. वाई आई एम टेलिंग यू कि हम लोग का ये ड्रेस बहुत सिमिलर हो गया. उसको जो मैंने डॉल दिया था वो भी आपको दिख जाएगा. फ़िलहाल ये ड्रेस है जो अभी ये पहनेगी, हम उसको पहना देते हैं फिर हम कंटिन्यू करते हैं. सो वी हैव द हेमलिस का वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, the doll with us.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
The Elsa one from Frozen. Now what I will do, क्योंकि हम खुद खरीदे थे और आप लोगों ने शायद मेरे किसी एक वीडियो में देखा होगा, I don't know, मैंने एक ब्लॉग में शेयर किया था. So I will ask her to open this because it would be fine, right? If you will open, that would be good. If you can, please do the honor. ये बेचारी 3 हफ्ते से इसका वेट कर रही है, बिकॉज आई गॉट दिस वन फॉर लाइक 3 वीक्स नाउ. और उसने पेशेंटली वेट किया कि किस दिन वो मेरे पास आके ये अनबॉक्सिंग कर सके. सो यू सी दिस और उसका ड्रेस একটু দাঁড়া উঠে, so that I can show this to বেডও ডালতে পারিস. See that her dress and she, what this is similar, right? Washable, yeah. Yeah, this is so similar. Okay, now you will open.
It has the matching blue.
Matching blue one, just like Elsa is wearing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you are going to open this one. Now, there's a thing, she only speaks in English or maybe she speaks in Dutch because she is from Netherlands. So if there is some terms like Hindi, I don't know whether she understands Hindi that much or not, but if that's the case, she can speak in Bengali as well. But मेरे सारे audience Bengali नहीं है और वो English या हिंदी वाले हैं, so I just have to stick to my English term because she will understand better in both of us, like understand in this way. So she will going to open it now. I know that this is becoming a huge thing that she going to do, but yeah, okay, you have to open it. How you will decide how you have to open it and how you're supposed to do it. I don't know how to stick my camera so that the things will be clear. Okay, so I will do like this.
My mom just told me I can open this.
Okay, wait. Okay, I have here.
My mom just said I can open this.
Yeah, she said you can open this now. Now you will tear this. Okay. Okay, it has this string as also, na?
Yeah.
That's the string. Wait. So we can. I have. So. Okay, she is wearing a shoes that I can see from here.
Oh.
Again, it has. Okay, we have done it finally.
Okay.
So that's the frozen one. So
Now.
no, don't. You don't have to take the scissor. I'll do it.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just going to.
Oh my. Oh my.
Now you do it. Okay, so that's her Elsa. Again? কোথাও আছে?
Yeah, in the hair. In the hair. You don't.
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
I think it's done.
No.
No, it's still.
One eternity later.
Oh my god. That's how you're supposed to open a doll? I don't know.
Oh my.
Yo, okay. This is so beautiful. Taina?
What happened here? Oh my.
No, I don't think that's. I think এটা এরকম থাকবে. Yeah, it would be like this.
Oh wait.
Yes.
That?
Yeah.
And hair is amazing.
Her hair is amazing, just like yours. You have an amazing hair too. Okay, so the ponytail is attached with this.
Why?
I don't know. Maybe it's just for that. So I'll just open it so that you can. Yeah, we finally opened our Elsa. Just that Elsa ready nahi hai abhi.
I got broads in Atlanta, just to throw me in the family.
Okay, now let's go. Is it? Yeah.
And look at our shoes.
Look at her shoes. That's the best part, you know?
Yeah. Oh my.
It does have that string, okay?
Oh my gosh.
There's so many.
That's so many.
But etai mone hoy last, I guess.
This has to be
Etai last. Now, it's done now. I think now that you can see कितना सुंदर सा शू है एल्सा का. It's like the वो Cinderella kind of shoe.
Hey!
Oh
You
my
wanna
God.
open it? Oh,
Okay. Yeah, we can open it.
But how did it look like? It's so fantastic.
They are fantastic. Okay.
She can still walk.
Yeah, she can. Now you have to. Do you like it?
Yes, I love it.
You love it. You love it.
And why she's so nice?
Why she's so nice? Okay, that's a good question. So now let me show. Okay, you can show this to our viewers that this is our Elsa. Do you like the Elsa?
Yes.
No. I'm just asking to my viewers. You should ask. Do you like the Elsa? आपको भी ऐसा पसंद है या नहीं, आप कमेंट सेक्शन में मेरे को बताना, या आपके बच्चे को कौन सा कैरेक्टर सबसे अच्छा लगता है. मे बी इट्स डिज्नी, बट शी इज नॉट अ डिज्नी पार्ट, और मे बी आई एम नॉट श्योर. ओह नो शी इज फ्रॉम डिज्नी. आई एम सॉरी, शी इज फ्रॉम डिज्नी. ओके. If I ask you about the quality and the toxicity of these products, see, मेरे को पता नहीं है कि ये बच्चों का जो अनबॉक्सिंग होता है वो कैसे किया जाता है. दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट टाइम दैट आई एम डूइंग. यू कैन होल्ड दिस फॉर मी. सो इसमें अगर पीछे कुछ वैसा लिखा हुआ होगा तो आई कैन एक्सप्लेन यू. ये हेमलिस में मिलता है. And I don't know what's the cost of this product because I gifted her that, so I was supposed to cut the price tag. टॉक्सिसिटी इसमें नहीं है. बिलो 3 के अंडर के लोग यूज़ नहीं कर सकते हैं, मतलब बिलो 3 एज के बच्चे यूज़ नहीं कर सकते हैं. बट ये ओवरऑल इज़ अ वेरी गुड डॉल. क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छा है. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो चीप मटेरियल या ऐसा कुछ है. इट्स नॉट नथिंग लाइक दैट. I think she liked it. If you ask, yeah, she liked it. Yeah, she liked it for sure. Okay, তো তুমি এটা নিয়ে চলে যাবে তো নেদারল্যান্ডসে?
হ্যাঁ.
Okay, she will take this doll with her to the Netherlands because she is about to leave. Like अब कुछ ही दिन बचे या 2-3 दिन ही बचे कि they have to move back to Netherlands. So yeah. Wow. Do you want to speak something about Elsa to the viewer? You can.
Yeah.
What?
Okay. This Elsa doll is so nice.
Okay.
Thank you for keeping it.
Oh.
It's so sparkly and I love the dress.
Okay. Even we love you so much. Like the dress, the thing is like so matching. You know.
Yeah.
Okay.
And how beautiful is she?
Okay. Just like you are beautiful. She is beautiful.
Yeah.
जान दे देंगे इसके लिए क्या बात कर रहे हो आप
I'm so in love with the shoes. The shoes that. Oh. Out of it. Can see the shoes. ऐसा शू हम लोग का मिलता है क्या? It's the best shoe.
Oh, like Cinderella lost her shoe.
Oh yeah, Cinderella lost her shoe.
Funny.
Okay, I don't know ये unboxing कितना ओटा ठीक करे लगी गई मुना हर ढोके नहीं ठीक करे. I don't know ये unboxing कैसा था नहीं था because this wasn't planned. I didn't plan for this. Even I don't know how to say things when it comes to बच्चों के toys वगैरह. So she's the first one that I ever did this kind of video because she wanted to be in my video for some reason. Maybe she likes me. And then she's the cutest one. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. You can tell my audience to subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to my channel.
Okay. You have to like if you enjoyed the video.
Yeah.
I said it already. And comment down something. कुछ भी comment करके जाना कैसी लगी मेरे को आपको मेरी नीस कैसी लगी बताते जाना comment section में. आपको ये ऐसा टॉय पसंद आया है नहीं let me know in the comment section. Oh she is very cute by the way. If you like my video अगर थोड़ा सा भी पसंद आया तो you have to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Bye.
Again, what did you tell me? What did you do? এটা কি ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ?
Now you speak on language.
Okay, it was fun.
खत्म बाय बाय टाटा गुड बाय गया